Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the visitors from the vast, dark expanse of interstellar space? Well, get ready, because we might have a new one on our cosmic doorstep. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know so far about a fascinating object that has astronomers buzzing. A potential interstellar comet designated 3I Atlas. Let's start from the beginning. In early 2023, Atlas Survey, which stands for Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, spotted a faint object moving through our solar system. This wasn't just any old space rock. As astronomers tracked its path, they noticed something extraordinary. Its trajectory, or the path it's taking through space, is what we call hyperbolic. Now, what does that mean? Imagine throwing a ball. If you don't throw it hard enough, it'll curve back down to Earth. If you throw it at just the right speed, called escape velocity, it will go into orbit. But if you throw it with incredible force, it will travel away from Earth on a path that never returns. That's a hyperbolic trajectory. When we see an object in our solar system on a path like this, it's a huge clue that it didn't originate here. It's a visitor from another star system, a true interstellar object. This is a really big deal. So far, we've only confirmed to other interstellar visitors. The first was the mysterious cigar-shaped Oumuamua in 2017. And the second was the more comet-like 2I, Borisov, in 2019. If confirmed, this new object, 3I Atlas, would be only the third of its kind ever detected. The 3I in its name literally stands for Third Interstellar. So, what do we know about 3I ATLAS itself? Initially, it was just a faint dot. But as it gets closer to the sun, things start to get interesting. The sun's heat is causing the ice on the object's surface to sublime it, that is. Turn directly from a solid into a gas. This process creates a glowing atmosphere, or coma, around the object's solid core, or nucleus. The presence of this coma is what makes us classify it as a comet, rather than an asteroid like Oumuamua. By studying the light from this coma using spectroscopy, astronomers can figure out what it's made of. It's like a cosmic chemical fingerprint. Early observations suggest the presence of familiar compounds we see in comets from our own solar system, like water and carbon-based molecules. This is incredibly exciting because it tells us that the building blocks for comets in other star systems might be very similar to our own. It's like finding out that a baker in a distant land uses the same flour and sugar as you do. It suggests a universal recipe for planet formation across the galaxy. One of the biggest questions is, where did it come from? Tracing its path backward is like being a detective trying to solve a cosmic cold case. It's extremely difficult because the galaxy is a busy place. Stars are constantly moving. By rewinding its trajectory and comparing it to the known movements of nearby stars, astronomers can try to find its home star system. But this is a process that can take months or even years of careful calculation. It's possible we'll never know for sure, but the search itself is a thrilling astronomical puzzle. How does 3I ATLAS compare to our previous interstellar guests? Oumuamua was strange. It was small, elongated, and didn't show any cometary activity, which led to a lot of wild speculation. Was it an alien probe? Probably not, but its nature is still debated. Then came 2I Borisov, which looked and acted much more like a typical comet we'd expect, giving us our first real glimpse at a comet from another star. Now, 3I Atlas seems to be another piece of this puzzle. It appears to be a comet like Borisov. Every new interstellar object is unique. Its size, composition, and the exact details of its activity can provide new insights. Is it richer in certain chemicals? Is it larger or smaller? Does it behave differently as it gets closer to the sun? Each data point helps us build a more complete picture of what planetary systems beyond our own are like. These objects are essentially free samples delivered right to our neighborhood, saving us the impossible task of traveling light years to study them up close. Let's talk about its journey. 31ATLAS is currently making its way inward toward the sun. Its closest approach to the sun, called perihelion, is a key moment. This is when the comet will be most active, heated to its maximum, and releasing the most gas and dust. It's a prime opportunity for telescopes, both on the ground and in space like the James Webb Space Telescope, to get their best look. They'll be watching for any changes, outbursts, or even the possibility of the nucleus breaking apart under the intense solar radiation and gravitational forces. Watching a comet's journey is always a bit unpredictable. They're often called cosmic cats because they have tails and do whatever they want. Sometimes they fizzle out unexpectedly, and other times they put on a spectacular show. Astronomers are watching 3I Atlas with bated breath to see what it will do. So, can you see it? Unfortunately, for most of us, this won't be a naked eye spectacle like some of the great comets of history. 3.1 Atlas is expected to remain quite faint, visible only through powerful, professional-grade telescopes. But that doesn't mean you can't follow along with its journey. Many observatories and space agencies will be releasing images and data as they come in. You can follow their social media accounts and websites to see the latest pictures and discoveries. It's a chance for all of us to participate in the excitement of discovery in real time. What does the future hold for 3I ATLAS? After it slingshots around the sun, its hyperbolic path will carry it back out of our solar system, never to return. It will continue its lonely journey through the Milky Way, perhaps to one day drift into another star system millions of years from now. But the data it leaves behind will be studied by scientists for decades. The discovery of 3I Atlas reinforces the idea that interstellar objects might be more common than we once thought. With new and improved survey telescopes coming online, like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, we expect to find many more of these interstellar travelers in the coming years. We are entering a new era of interstellar astronomy, moving from discovering just one or two oddities to potentially building a whole catalog of objects from beyond our solar system. Each new discovery is a chance to answer some of the biggest questions in science. Are the chemical ingredients for life common throughout the galaxy? How do other solar systems form and evolve? Studying these interstellar comets is like reading postcards from distant stars, each one telling us a little bit more about our galactic neighborhood. So, as 3I Atlas continues its silent, majestic voyage through our solar system, it carries with it the secrets of its distant home. It's a humbling reminder of the sheer scale and wonder of the universe and of the incredible fact that we are here, able to watch and to learn from these fleeting cosmic messengers. The story of 3I Atlas is still unfolding, and we'll be here to keep you updated on all the latest developments. Thank you so much for joining me on this cosmic journey today. If you're as fascinated by the mysteries of space as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the universe. Let us know in the comments what you find most exciting about this new interstellar visitor. Until next time, keep looking up.